Hi warriors! So today I have for you Z-Valve number 20 already, and today we're gonna be focusing on our butts. So we're doing 4 different exercises and 3 rounds for time. First exercise is side jump lunge. So you're gonna get into this basic position in a side lunge. Now you're gonna touch the ground and you jump and switch legs. 1, 2, and so on. And your goal is to push your hips really far back so that your knee is almost in 90-degree angle. Go as far down as you can. Keep your back straight and abs tight. The second exercise is backward forward jump burpee. So the idea here is that you stay really low. So you're gonna push your hips back, bend your knees as far as you can. Now you're gonna jump forward, jump back, and go into the push-up position. Do a push-up and jump up. So the third exercise is a one leg dip jump, and this move is complicated, it's hard, so you have to be really focusing on your form. So put one leg on the chair behind you, and now you're gonna dip down as far as you can, and now you're gonna jump up. Now you have to be careful, you have to be really tensing, focus on tensing your butt and your thigh muscles so that you don't put too much pressure on your knee. So again, go down and jump up. So the last exercise in this workout is alternating double bridge, and you want to be fast in this when you're doing this move. So you're gonna do one leg bridge, you're gonna push off of your heel, squeeze your butt, go down, put both of the feet on the ground, and then you're gonna squeeze your butt again and push your hips up. And you're gonna be alternating legs. 1 rep, 2, and so on. Good luck and let's do this. Time ready? Yep. Okay, let's do this. Side jump lunge, 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, backward, forward, jump, burpee. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One leg dip jump. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch legs. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bridge. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we completed the first round.
322, here we go.
Okay, side jump lunge, 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Burpees. Jump forward, back, and push up.
Try to be 10 minutes, here we go.
And jump up. Two. Three. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. One leg, dip jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Switch legs. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Bridges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my God. That was the second round. Guys, I need a sip of water. So you can have a water break as well.
Fine. 7 minutes. We go.
We have a great time. So this workout is short, but it's so intense. Look at me, I'm out of my breath. Okay. Side jump lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Burpees. Forward, back, push up, and jump up. Two. Three. 4. 5. Shake it off. Let's do another 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Don't worry guys, I'm not giving up. I'm gonna keep pushing. I just need a little break. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10. Switch legs. 1, 4, 6, 8, 10. Bridges. Last exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop the time. Oh my god. So we completed this workout in 11 minutes 38 seconds. I think it's pretty good. Now you guys have the option either follow along with me rep by rep, which means that you're gonna take the same amount of breaks as me, or you can try to beat my time. You can try to challenge yourself and push harder, which is always good because the harder you push yourself, the more benefits you're gaining from this workout. So I wish you guys a good luck. Hope you're gonna enjoy it. And that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Ciao. The new side is coming. We have a new side.
Oh my God.
My legs are like pre-killed.